Hey, I want to talk to you about something a little sensitive today. We're going to talk about convertible sofa beds on Amazon. This is a brand new convertible sofa bed. This thing's absolutely amazing. We've got it in the couch kind of vibe right now, fully built out. We've got our nice armrest here with our cup holders in it, but look at this. Very easy. Now it's part of the backrest of the couch. Look at this. A lot of the sofa beds don't have a solid back like this. This is really nice, thick, and supportive. And you've even got the extra pillows too. And these pillows are super comfy. Just a really cool look, kind of like that modern, thick, kind of minimal, lower kind of seating vibe, but it doesn't feel too low. Now let's go ahead and do the other cool thing it can do. We're going to turn it into a bed. That's all we have to do that. This thing is extremely lightweight, but it ends up being extremely supportive at the same time. You can see how easy it is to make these adjustments. This feels like I'm laying on like a memory foam kind of mattress. This is going to be legitimately good if you need an actual mattress for people to sleep on sometimes, whether it's you or whether it's guests visiting. Maybe you don't have a guest room, but you want people to be able to sleep in your house and be comfortable. This thing's really good for that. Now, we can also, we're lounging, watching a movie or something like that. We can still bring this out, kind of get this lounge vibe right here. This thing's amazing, dude. One thing I wanted to talk about, is this worth it? Look at the number on the product page. This is not only a legitimate couch, it's super versatile, insanely comfortable, and it looks really good. Look at this, it's like a corduroy kind of vibe. We've got it in that kind of like navy blue, but it's just super nice, dude. Not only that, but this is selling hundreds of units right now. And it's got tons of people giving it like really high star ratings. So all the signals are pointing to this is a great buy. We can tell you, my brother and I did some product research. We purchased it. We can now tell you from firsthand experience, this is a great buy. I think this is beyond worth it. If you look at the number on the product page, it does not make sense what you're getting. You're not always going to get something like this, but we bought it to find out. You're going to love this. It comes in a pretty small box and it's completely vacuum sealed. You're like, this can't be the couch, could it? You slice it open and it immediately begins to expand. This thing's absolutely amazing. Is there anything else I want to cover about it? It's just really nice.